Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift up a Nissan Frontier. First, let's talk about preparation. Before starting, ensure you have all the necessary tools, including a sturdy floor jack, at least 2 reliable jack stands, and a comprehensive socket set. Safety is paramount. Always work on a flat, stable surface and wear appropriate personal protective equipment. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure lifting process for your truck. Now let's tackle the front suspension. Begin by safely lifting the front of your Nissan Frontier and securing it with 2 robust jack stands. Remove both front wheels. Next, carefully disconnect the sway bar links and the lower bolts of your shock absorbers. With these components free, you can then install the new front lift spacers, typically placed above the coil spring assembly, ensuring a precise fit for your desired lift height. Moving to the rear, support the rear axle using your hydraulic jack and remove the rear wheels. Gently lower the axle just enough to create sufficient space for installing your chosen lift components. You'll typically install new lift blocks between the leaf springs and the axle, or for a different approach, you might add an extra leaf spring. Ensure all components are correctly seated and aligned before proceeding. For the final steps, meticulously reconnect all suspension components, ensuring every bolt is securely tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Slowly and carefully lower your Nissan Frontier from the jack stands. Once on the ground, it is absolutely crucial to immediately schedule a professional wheel alignment. This step is vital for maintaining proper handling, preventing premature tire wear, and ensuring your truck drives safely after its new lift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.